Good morning, Butler AVTS. We're excited to be back here for another year of working with you guys here with the Challenge Program. We are excited to congratulate some students this morning for their hard work that they did last year, but also to tell you guys a little bit about how you guys are currently in the running in 5 different award categories. So I know you guys might be familiar that our original award categories were attendance, STEM, community service, academic improvement, and academic excellence. There's going to be a little bit of a change starting next year. So I want to give you guys an update about what our new award categories look like and how they're actually more conducive for you guys as CTC students. So first up for attendance, we're changing this one to the Work Ethic Award, okay? So this includes all aspects of showing up, being disciplined, and doing your best in the classroom, but that also includes being here. So not too much of a change, but just the title will change to Work Ethic Award. As for improvement, academic improvement, this one's gonna stay the same. We wanna see improvement, whether it's in the classroom or on the field, whatever it looks like for you guys, we want to see improvement, and so academic improvement will remain the same. As for community service, this is also going to remain the same. It's going to be community impact. So that can mean a lot of different things. Of course, if you are working in a club or an after-school program, maybe you're volunteering with your church, you're a volunteer firefighter, whatever it looks like for you, if you are serving in your community and making an impact, you are in good standing for this award. Then for excellence, that one will also remain the same, but excellence can mean a lot of different things, right? No matter what program you're in and what it looks like for you, we want to see students excel, and so we will be recognizing students again next year for their excellence. And last up, we have our STEM award. This one is going to be changing to the Light Bulb Award. So this kind of encapsulates all creativity, all innovation. We want to see students who are able to use their skills that they're learning right here at the CTC and apply them into real world scenarios. So that is as for the Light Bulb Award. That is our newest one. We're really excited to congratulate students in all 5 of those categories. But as for this year, we are going to be awarding you guys in the same 5: attendance, STEM, community service, academic improvement, and academic excellence. So without further ado, we want to introduce the business partners who make this happen. You guys are very lucky. You have been given a new business partner this year alongside Lutheran Senior Life, which is S&B USA. They are a carpentry company, and they have a huge contract with the state of Pennsylvania to build a lot of new bridges this year. And so we're going to be inviting you guys out to see some projects. They'll be coming into the classrooms to talk to you guys a little bit about the opportunities that they have. But with us this morning, you guys probably recognize Lindsay Strishak from Lutheran Senior Life. I want to give her the floor to talk a little bit about why she's here and what they do at Lutheran Senior Life. So go ahead, Lindsay.
Great, thanks, Sarah. Good morning, everyone. It's nice to be back here. I always enjoy seeing everyone and learning some of the new things that you're doing. So at Lutheran Senior Life, if you remember, we have communities throughout Butler County. We also go into Beaver, Lawrence, Armstrong counties as well, and into northern part of Allegheny County. From a student perspective, positions that we have for high school students is in our dietary department, food service assistants. You can work as few as 4 hours a week. The hours are nice. It's not late nights. You're out no later than 9 o'clock in the evening. And then we also have hospitality aides. That these are positions, again, casual, that you can kind of dip your toe in the water to see if you want to work in direct patient care, get some experience. And then we also have a nurse aide training program that actually one of the students from Butler AVTS is one of our employees. And she's been doing a great job for us. So we also have opportunities for if you're looking to go on to nursing school. We will pay up to $16,000. We pay that directly to the school, and then once you graduate, become a licensed RN or LPN, then you work for us for 2 years. So I'll have information and be giving it to some of the instructors if you're interested. It also has my contact information on it, so reach out if you want to learn more.
Cool, awesome, Lindsay, thank you for being here. Guys, we want you to take advantage of the relationships with your business partners because they are here to serve you guys. They do not have to be here, but they're here because they want to. And so it's a real testament to the work that you guys are doing. And so we really want to appreciate the work that they're doing, to connect with you guys, to show you some of the opportunities that are right here in Butler County for you. And so without further ado, we want to get to the piece that we have all been waiting for. We have some students with us this morning who have excelled in our 5 different award categories, and Lutheran Senior Life is here to congratulate them with some checks. All right, so I'm going to pass these over to Lindsay. We're going to invite our students to come up as we call their name, but yeah, without further ado, we're going to introduce 4 students to you who have done a great job this year. First, we are starting with our STEM award. So our junior recipient for the STEM award is Alina Geibel.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thanks. Congrats. Next up, we have our Community Service Award. The junior recipient for the Community Service Award is Alexis Teresio.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's okay.
Congratulations. All right, next up we have our Academic Excellence Award. The junior recipient for the Academic Excellence Award goes to John Malacki.
Congratulations, John. There you go.
Congratulations. And last but not least, we have our Community Service Award. The sophomore recipient for the Community Service Award is Ronnie Radaker. Radaker. Mispronounced.
Congratulations.
I mispronounced your name again. I apologize. So a big congratulations to the 4 winners that we have here, along with the other winners that are going to be receiving checks from us today. Guys, we want to encourage you to keep up the good work, not only in this school year, but also in all of your academics, all of your ventures out into the community. And we want to encourage you to take advantage of the competitions that we have here at the Challenge Program. So if you look on the screen, you can see that we first have the Commitment to Community Service competition. This is different than the Community Service Award that we give out at every school. This is open to any student in any of the Challenge Program schools. But we really encourage you guys to take advantage of this application. It's open for 1 week starting Martin Luther King Day, and you can go onto our website, tcpinc.org, to fill out some short answer questions, all from the comfort of your phone. There's $1,000 on the line, so there's nothing to lose and a lot to gain. But we also have our Rising Star Award. This is like our Student of the Year competition. We open this up to, again, any student who is in one of the Challenge Program schools. So you can go onto our website just the same and fill out some short answer questions and tell us about some challenges that you faced during high school, maybe some career exploration that you've done. Maybe you still don't know what you want to do and you're figuring it out, and maybe Lutheran Senior Life and S&B have helped you to figure that out for yourself. So whatever it is, guys, we want to hear it. Go into our website, fill out some short answer questions to tell us about your life as a high school student. And good news, this one is open now, and so there's no reason why I shouldn't see a whole lot of Butler ABTS students applying for this one today. So we're excited to work with you guys again this year. If you want to keep up to date with everything the Challenge Program, all of our competitions, and get in on some giveaways, you can check us out on our social media, of course. That's our shameless plug for our Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, you name it, we're there, and we're looking to connect with you there. So, guys, this is not the last time you'll be seeing the Challenge Program and S&B and Lutheran Senior Life throughout the year. We will be coming back in your classrooms and inviting you guys to come see us. So, we are excited to be here, and we congratulate you for all of your hard work and encourage you to keep it up. We will see you again real soon. Thanks.